hao, George.
你好, Zhu 老师. We still have some finals remaining to learn in Chinese Pinyin, so should we do them now?
Yes. Do you still remember how to pronounce this final?
Of course I do. I.
Excellent. I. When you pronounce I, your pronunciation should smoothly transition from A to E. Now, let's learn some compound finals starting with I, U, Ü.
Now that sounds interesting.
Let's see some compound finals with E in the beginning. Ya,
Ya,
Ye,
Ye,
Yao.
Yao.
Excellent. Now can you try these syllables?
Ji, Ya, Jia. Home or family. Ji, Ye, Jie. Elder sister. Xi, Yao, Xiao. Small.
家, 姐, 小. Do you have a 姐姐?
No, I don't. But I do have a younger brother.
That is 弟弟.
Ah, Didi. So, how can I say older brother and younger sister?
That is 哥哥 and 妹妹.
Okay. 哥哥, 妹妹,
哥哥.
哥哥.
Good. Next. 烟,
Yan,
央,
yang,
阴,
in,
英,
in,
庸.
yong. 朱老师, I'm a little bit confused. So I can't really feel any difference between in and ing.
Oh, in and ing, the difference is comparable to the difference between an and ang.
Ah, so you open the back of your mouth when you pronounce ing. Ing.
You got it. So for example, 心 means hot, while 星 means star.
Xin, xing.
Very good. Now can you try some more syllables?
Sure. qi yan, qian, money. Xi yang, xiang, think. Xi yong, xiong, bear. Bo ying, bing, ice.
钱, 想, 熊, 冰.
All right. Bing means ice, right?
Yes.
Ah, right. Because I can only normally get hot water in restaurants for some reason, right? But I prefer cold water. So next time I go to a restaurant, I'll say Bing.
Smart. Well, we believe hot water is more healthy. Okay, let's quickly review.
Ya,
Ya,
ye,
ye,
yao,
yao,
yan,
yan,
yang,
yang,
yin,
yin,
ing,
ing,
yong.
yong. Here we have some compound finals starting with u, wa, wo, wai, wan, wang, wong. Some examples.
He, wa, hua, flowers. De, wo, duo, many. Ke, wai, kuai, fast. Chi, wan, chuan, boat.
吃湾船
Chuan. He, wan, huang, yellow.
喝汪黄
Huang.
Good. 花多快船黄
I often hear kwai kwai kwai, so that means like quickly, quickly.
Yes. And we've learned 很多 a lot. And you're learning very fast. 很快
I am. So, can I have a rest now?
Well, you've earned it.